Hello everyone, this is Dr. Anupriya Goel from Berkowits Hair Skin Clinic, and today I'll be talking about facial oils and serums. Stay tuned till the end of the video because I'll be talking about my favorite facial oils and serums. So stay tuned. Both facial oils and serums have been trending in the market a lot lately. These are actually magic potions in a small bottle. The concentration of the active ingredient is very high in these serums and oils. That is, they are very potent. Even though they are a bit expensive, even a small drop of these solutions go on for a very long period of time. You just need to apply 2 to 3 drops and you're done. Serums have a smaller sized molecule, hence they can penetrate deeper in the skin. They are usually water-based, so their ingredients contain water along with active ingredients like peptides, retinol, glycolic acid or other alpha-hydroxy acids, vitamins, and even tranexamic acid for skin brightening. For example, a serum containing retinol, it helps in stimulating collagen and even helps in repair of elastin. So, these serums are made so that they can go in the deeper layers of the skin and they can give targeted results which cannot be reached by moisturizers. Now, facial oils, they have bigger sized molecules as compared to a serum. They can penetrate only the outermost layer of the skin. They are usually made up of plant extracts and essential oils, and hence they help in moisturizing the skin and repairing the skin barrier because they provide the skin with lipids. So these oils give a boost of hydration and nutrition to the skin because of their rich emollient texture. Other than nourishing properties, these oils also have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. You must always make sure to apply all the skincare products from the lighter consistency to the thicker consistency. As I told you that serums have a smaller sized molecule, they must be applied first, followed by a moisturizing lotion, and then followed by a facial oil. Because the facial oils have a larger sized molecule, they should always be applied in the end. Always pick a serum that targets your skin concerns the most. My 3 top favorite serums in the market are: first, Berkowits Radiate Vitamin C Serum, which is also rich in hyaluronic acid. This is apt for dry skin and gives you a good glow on your face. Second is Berkowits Radiate Skin Brightening Serum, which is also rich in tranexamic acid. This helps in even lightening your dark spots. And third is Berkowits Renew Anti-Aging Serum. This is rich in retinol and it helps in fighting your fine lines and wrinkles. Use a facial oil for intense glow and hydration of your skin. My top picks are: first, Indulgio Essential Rose Gold Oil. Second, Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Oil. Now both of them can be used in all skin types. Third is the Tribe Concept Golden Elixir Oil. This oil is perfect for all skin types, but you can avoid it in very oily skin types. If you're trying a new serum and an oil, then make sure to mix a few drops of these products in your present moisturizing cream and lotion and apply this mix on your face for the first few days. If you react well to this mix, then you can apply the serum or the oil directly on your face. Do this specially with serums containing retinol, as they can irritate very sensitive skins. So I hope you found this video useful. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. If you have any queries, leave a comment below. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Dr. Anupriya Goel and at Berkowits Clinic. Stay healthy, stay beautiful. Thank you.